Okay, let's see how can we get this. Take a rectangle tool and draw a rectangle. Resize corner to obtain circle or some other shape. Take a group selection tool, make it a center. Give a color. Add a text. And make it bigger. Give it a center. Select the shape, go to edit, copy, select the lab, go to arrange and send it to back. By selecting both, go to object, envelope distort and make it top. Now you can get a lab. Go to edit and then click paste in place. Go to layer section. This layer section, keep a lab to top and a shape tool. Click the envelope section and go to object, expand and then click OK. Change the color as you like. Finally, you can get this. For more tutorials, do follow and subscribe to the YouTube channel.